In today's video, I'm going to show whether the Bambu Lab H2C is worth it. Honest 2026 3D printer review. The Bambu Lab H2C is a cutting-edge 3D printer positioned at the very high end of desktop machines, featuring a novel Vortec hot-end swapping system that lets it handle up to 7 filament colors or materials in a single print job with minimal purge waste, a big advance over earlier models that required purge towers. It integrates an actively heated chamber, 65 degrees Celsius, a powerful servo extruder with high extrusion force and closed-loop control, and an array of sensors and cameras that provide real-time diagnostics and automated error detection. These systems work together to deliver smoother surfaces, higher accuracy down to around 50 microm, and much faster print speeds compared with older H-series printers. Performance reviews conclude that the H2C delivers very strong multicolor and multi-material prints with significantly lower filament waste and faster head changes due to its hot-end-only swap design, which is a major benefit if you regularly print complex, colorful models or functional parts with mixed polymers. One early tester reported massive reductions in filament use, almost half compared with earlier Bambu models without sacrificing quality, and extremely smooth transitions between colors. That said, the H2C is not perfect for everyone. Its price often above US $2,399 for the base configuration, and complexity make it a niche choice mostly suited to prosumers, small studios, or established makers who will truly benefit from advanced multi-material work. Casual hobbyists or beginners might not see a good return on investment compared with simpler, cheaper machines. Some users on community forums note potential early use issues, like uneven heated beds or the need for fine-tuning, while others say the advantages over simpler tool changers, for example, traditional dual extruders, are less clear if you don't constantly use many colors or materials. Verdict: the Bambu Lab H2C is a legitimate high-performance 3D printer. It's worth it for professionals, makers with frequent complex prints, or anyone who will truly use its advanced features. Thank you for watching this video.